warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here is the recreation forecast for Summit.
Okay, so that was kind of scuffed for a number of reasons.
Summits in and out of clouds this morning. Summits becoming obscured. A chance of rain. Highs around 50.
Yes, thank you.
Chance of rain 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. A chance of rain.
So let's see down here if we can finally, I guess the alert went away. Thought it was supposed to stay, but whatever.
Chance of rain. Stay night. Partly cloudy.
Thought it was supposed to stay on the radio, but I was gonna look at the home patrol now, but whatever. 996 went off for this one.
Winds 15.
We still gotta wait for Norton to go. Take a look over here. MD319 went just fine. Good to see.
11, 12 to 30.
I haven't seen this guy in a while.
Lows in the lower 30s.
That's gonna go off. Yes, it did. Awesome. Okay, shit. Get a grip. There we go. WX268 went off. Very nice. Change that to WXL93. Sorry, you can barely see what I'm doing here. There we go.
An hour again.
There we go. Did that already. Alright, so up here looks like a majority of everything went off. All nice and dandy.
Southeast wind.
12519 has perfect reception up here.
And 42. Beverly
I'll be with the dying tuner.
42. Boston got us.
Good to see. So this was having a kitchen. Why did this not go off? That would be why. I think I have 2 extra external antennas. I might attach them to these guys because that just won't do. But this guy goes off just fine.
Sunny, the temperature was 46, and in New York City it was partly sunny and 61 degrees. Here are the fancy west winds.
There you go. So now we just gotta wait on whenever the hell Norton decides to go. Once again, I think Norton forgot it's Wednesday. You know, I woke up for these tests thinking, you know what, today's gonna be a nice easy day. Norton's gonna go right at 11 like they normally do, and Gray's gonna do their usual 5-minute interval at 11:05, 11:10, 11:15, or 11:20 business. And they did, Gray did, and Gray showed up. Also, they toned this for a 45-minute event for some reason. Norton, on the other hand, I mean, like...
Official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts.
I mean, what are you gonna do, right?
Greater Worcester area issued at 10:11 a.m. 11.
Lovely Norton.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches. Warning weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. Severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Western area issued at 11 a.m.
1 hour and 10 minutes late.
This afternoon, partly sunny with a 20% chance of rain. Cooler with high.
Let's see, I think this guy went off too. There you go.
Up to 20.
Why did this not go off?
Patchy dense fog after midnight with visibility 1/4 mile.
Stopped recording like a shot, but yeah,
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles.
okay, let's see, I know why this didn't go off, but this finally went off. Version 1300. Dial 301, of course. Three went off. I'm pretty sure everything else went off without any hitch. Oh yeah, so what the hell? The alert was there for me to look at, and now it's gone. Because I think I have batteries in here now where I could do the replay function, but whatever. I don't know what that's all about, but whatever. This guy went off. Only took me to tweet them, but there you go. I finally went.